I recently wanted to get into Pilates, so of course I don't want to go out and pay a salon or anything like that for Pilates. I would like to stay home and do Pilates at home, so I got this little kit where I can do Pilates at home. So the first thing that we have is this leg band, and it's just going to go around your legs and do a lot of different things. You can also use it for your hands like that. It comes with 2 balls. I have one aired up because I have used this before, and then this is just another one. You don't have to worry about having to go buy something to air it up or anything because it comes with a pump. The next thing that it comes with is just a instruction manual and kind of different workouts so you can do with each individual item that comes with it. You have a bag to store everything in, and then you have some different resistance bands. So here's one. Here's another one, and then there's this one too. So you have a light, medium, and hard resistant bands. And you also have some weights right here. I have not used these yet because I'm not there yet, but these can go around your ankles or they can go around your wrist, wherever you want to put them. I really like this. This is definitely a great starter kit for me, especially since I'm just a beginner. It's all pink, which is my favorite color in this entire world, so not only am I going to be trying to enjoy Pilates, I can enjoy it while it all being my favorite color. So if you're looking to start your Pilates journey at home, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.